Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be walking you through my everyday skincare and natural makeup routine. After I wash my face, I always dry it with clean towels. I never use body towels or hand towels. Those can carry bacteria. Here I'm using Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant. I use this day and night. It helps keep my pores clean, clear, smooth skin, and just keeps everything looking fresh and even. So I've always had issues with dark circles, so I swear by these Shea Moisture eye masks. I use them maybe 15-20 minutes before I add moisturizer onto my skin. So while the eye mask is doing its thing, I'm going to use this Medicube serum all over my face. That gives my skin that extra layer of hydration and glow before I seal everything in. So while I let this sit, I'm going to take my shower bun down. I always keep my hair in a bun while I'm taking a shower so my natural hair doesn't swell up. Next, I'm using my Astura Auto Barrier Cream. This is my main moisturizer. I love it. It's low-key, kind of heavy and light at the same time, but my favorite moisturizer. All right, it's been about 15 minutes, so I'm removing my eye mask, and then I use an eye moisturizer to lock in the hydration. I forgot to show it, but I use SkinCeuticals Eye Cream. So next is SPF. That is a non-negotiable. I use this Beauty of Joseon, or however you say it, all over my face. And as you can see, I am at the end of this tube. I don't waste any products, so I'm gonna cut this open and use every drop. I love this sunscreen because I use tretinoin at night, and some sunscreens just burn when I put it on. All right, now that the skincare is out the way, I use my Makeup Forever foundation. It's super lightweight. It's more like a tinted moisturizer. I apply it on my face, then I use the brush first, and then the sponge to tap everything in. And make sure you take your time, blend it in very well so it blends and sinks in and looks just like your skin. All right, because my under eye area is a little bit darker, which I don't know why you can't tell on this video, I use two concealers. I use one that's closer to my natural skin tone, then I use a lighter one to brighten up my under eyes. So with this one, I'm using Maybelline Dark Circle Eraser, and I use the next to brighten everything up. So I tap it in lightly, and then I let it sit to kind of dry up a little bit before blending it. So while we wait, I'm gonna use my Anastasia brow pen to fill in my brows. All right, next I'm gonna use Patrick Ta's eyeshadow. I'm not really an eyeshadow girl, but you can see my veins through my lid, so it makes it look darker. So I kind of use the tone of my natural skin to kind of even everything out and not make my lids look dark. All right, now I'm gonna blend my concealer in with this sponge, and this is just a light everyday look, so it's not gonna be super concealed. I still wanna look natural. I'm gonna use this benign powder to lightly set my concealer and then my smile lines. I wait for a minute or so, and then I brush off the excess. All right, now I'm using my favorite blush. It's Peach Blush by Amore Us. I just love the color. Then I go in with my all-time favorite highlighter. Highlighter is like my favorite part of the makeup routine. I'm using Becca Champagne Pop. I've been using this for years. I apply it on my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, and my chin, and it gives the prettiest glow. I already applied the lashes off camera, and then I use this dark brown eyeliner. And then we finish everything off with Professional Matte Setting Spray. It really brings the whole look together. It makes me look matte and sets everything in place. All right, guys, this is the finished look. This is my natural skincare and makeup routine that I do in the daytime. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, this is the look I usually go for. I also added some clip-ins today. You can see that my ponytail got thicker and longer, and I'll be showing that on the next upload. So make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see more of.